jogging for it. That's fun to hear, big time.
You saying good?
You saying good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bro.
Where are we?
Oh, sorry, is it Heathrow?
Yeah, Heathrow, mate.
Gatwick. No, it's Heathrow, yeah. No, Shanghai.
That's it.
Just loading the luggage up. I think it's like 10-hour flight, isn't it?
12.
Fuck. Then to Brisbane. I've never been to Brisbane. Fucking straight there. Where did it leave last? Saying after the Hamley show, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Another week of work and then fucking straight here. Fucking
Chicken
diabolical.
burger?
Oh yeah, thank you, mate. Yeah. It sort of got to the last shift and I just knew we were going here, so my body, I was just like
Clocked out.
Yeah, clocked out mentally.
Good reception to the first episode.
Yeah, it actually was, to be fair. Didn't expect that because I thought nobody really give a fuck.
So how are you actually feeling?
Still like anxious, like me and John were saying, if I don't do it now, well, when the fuck am I going to do it? Like, I'm not 25 now, yeah, 26 next year. If I just keep working and don't actually put music first, yeah, I'm going to be in a constant loop of just working till 6, getting back, fucked, going to the gym, half-assing music. So I might as well just actually enjoy it and use the money as a tool to buy myself time. I think the position that it's in now with like the music and stuff is just a lot better. A bit of an audience, obviously, what you made from the vlog as well. So, whereas last time I felt like I was trying to find my feet, where like this time going out, I know what the plan is, I know what the music should sound like. Mate, when I go to Australia, it's like more to see what it's like, and I sort of like felt a bit lost musically, but now I'm just like gassed to be there.
Well, I'm actually I'm nervous, a bit apprehensive. Like I was saying to Brandon on the phone earlier. It's a different shape for us now. Obviously last year we were coming out to do the pull-up parties first and foremost. This year we're coming out to push Brandon and spearhead it and then do like an odd pop-up whilst we're out here. So yeah, basically like whether I waste 2 months of my life is on this man's shoulders.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
What are you going to do on the plane?
Drink and eat food and watch fucking films and that.
Yeah.
Hopefully they come around with like 3 beers and that. I was banging off.
Yeah.
What's the airport in Brisbane?
Brisbane.
Brisbane Airport.
Just Brisbane, like. First stop?
First stop, Shanghai.
Yeah, ABC this way, please.
How are you just rubbing butter into your fucking...
Where are you going to put the butter, mate? Up your arse?
I don't know, to be honest, bro, it probably doesn't need to go on anything. You saying Shan? Thank you. Where are we?
Wait for John. In Shanghai, bro. I feel like I'm fucking so sick before I just enjoy it.
What the fuck?
Fucking hot and the underground tubes going on in there. My special badge. For a special boy. Cal's got one as well. You got two, bro. That's where my other one went.
Where?
There.
No way, it must have rubbed off. Or she just stuck it on me by mistake.
Nah,
Like,
that's where the other one went.
somehow got his badge and my badge.
Fucking idiot.
Where's smokers?
Yeah, where's this special machine where you light a fag? What are you on about?
It'll be on the map.
Chatting out his fucking arse, obviously.
Nitty can and crazy.
Every nightclub venue in the UK,
One of those, like.
and they should charge him like, put 10p in or something. They'll make a fucking killing. Bro, crazy ceiling. Crazy gaff like, isn't it?
So how long we got in here now?
5 hours.
What's going on there then?
Fishing rod, isn't it?
Stitch! 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 Stitch!
Yes.
Stitch! Woo!
Have it. Yeah, second flight of the day now to Brisbane. 6.5 hours. You could do them, couldn't you? Fucking hell. Was there anything else in there?
Oh, what?
Fuck, that's actually terrible of me. Yeah, so we've just landed in Brisbane. 12 hours later, mate. Sorry, buddy. Out the fucking way.
There we go.
That was a quick house.
Full house. Full house.
Was that all the stuff?
Yeah. That was easy. Left his headphones on the plane, now he's left his suitcase. You being serious, bro? Are you actually serious?
That's your suitcase, that is.
Left your whole
Probably
fucking...
need that.
Left your whole fucking suitcase.
Right, just dropped. Just touched down in Brisbane. Absolutely gas, mate. We're waiting for Sam and Anna now. Fucking John's waiting with the bags, just sort the sim out. It feels hot, mate, already.
Yeah.
We definitely have to go do a bit of sightseeing now, get a few pints in. Yeah, gym, a few pints, get some food.
What are you most excited for about being back?
Just the weather, mate. Do you know what the nice thing would be, yeah? But by the time it's 3:30, it's not going to be pitch black. That the big dog, good?
That was long to be fair.
That's a long fight, isn't it?
It's the like, you can't, it's airport traffic.
Literally about to go down to the gym now, get a fucking back and biceps pump.
And then go for a little run after, I reckon. And then maybe go for a couple beers later. Straight out of the gym, went up on a run, and only 5k. He doesn't know it yet, but he said he's not. Hey? He said not happening. I think you might have heard me. We'll see though. I will be. He's an absolute monster.
Yeah, steps in, easing up.
Brandon didn't make it to the end, bless him. But you better put in a good shift. I was running to the Star, which is where the others are, and it's got like this really sick skybox. So I'm gonna go out there, get a drink. And then he finally decided to join us.
Oh, fuck off, Carl.
And I was like, oh, it's only 2k to the Star, bro. It's that money. And he was like, nah, not a chance I'm running. Successful.
Success.
The boys are fucking jet lag's hit hard now after run, gym, 2 days no real sleep.
Yeah, bro, like the last 15 hours didn't even sleep at all.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna crash when I get home. I'm gonna crash, blood. I didn't feel this bad I didn't feel this bad last year.
Alright then, well, say goodbye to the people.
See you later. Mate, that's fucked. Look at the bubble. I didn't feel this bad last year.
Terrible.
Children are supervised at all times.
Whoa.
For your safety, do
like I was
not
coming off
run,
the GoPro.
stand. Be aware that city cats can move fast.
Oh, so we're going with it. What's going
That
on?
close? Bro, what is this shit, Cal?
Let me watch some magic happen. So this is an app we show me that. There's an app we use, yeah. So people on tour can get all their photos. So you like scan in a selfie, and then
Yeah, bro, look at that though. It's not loading, bro. Oh, fucking there's
John's got
loads
you.
in there.
show me.
All of that.
Let's have a look.
Bro, that's a sick one of me and you. So use that.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
Alright, BSEARL 101. Key things to get out of this session today. Music direction.
Goals as a whole, and probably a 3-year plus plan.
This is our first radio play.
No, it's actually a tune. Without this tune, you would have been fucked.
What a throwback. Nostalgia.
It's so similar to Soul My Soul when you listen to it.
Which is a
It's
half
the same,
time.
it's half
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
yeah. But that's what I got the idea for Soul My Soul, was to do that. But this actually went off, to be fair.
It's quite that blend holds up. I'll give you that.
Alright, so Sunday now. Still getting over the jet lag. Me and Cal were up at like fucking 5 a.m.
Yeah.
It's so brutal.
Again.
Yeah, I've finally just run over some stuff like where we're at, where we want to go with this music stuff. Like just getting a plan for it. But yesterday's been a wholesome day, innit? Just got some food, Sam, Anna, John, and then beers and that.
So yeah, good first couple days. Just about getting over the jet lag. Been smashing gym, bit of music stuff.
Yeah, fucking sunburned fuck already.
Jesus.
English man can't act the fucking Australian heat, bro. Today, game day party starts to. A guy called Yes Boon's played on it. The boys met him last year, so we're gonna check that out. Which it'd be sick to see a motive in Brisbane once.
Basically, we're just going from free gym trial to free gym trial, aren't we?
Yeah. Fucking other gym trial, they're like 3 days. And like you could tell they wanted us to sign to a membership. So the first couple of days were sort of like working out, and you could see they're like tailing us because they're like, oh yeah, do you like the gym guys? And I like Cowboy. We have to say something here because like they're gonna want us to sign up. We can't just milk the 3 days and then go. And like he almost like, yeah, I've got it, bro. I like chat to him. I know what I'm gonna say. I'm like, when you say like, oh, cheers, buddy, but we're traveling a lot, so we might not need the membership. And you just go straight up to him. See you later, buddy. Straight out of the fucking
Shook
gym.
his hand though.
Yeah, shook his hand. Basically, like this. Cheers for 3 days, mate. I'm off. See you later.
Crazy.
On to the next gym now to save rinse and repeat.
Got a slight problem. Join unstaffed hours, strictly members only.
Just watch and learn, mate, yeah.
Okay. So it said we both panicked, so the camera went away quick. But basically, it said join unstaffed hours, strictly staff members only. I can't.
Straight in. Get a photo of that as well. How the fuck are we gonna get out of here?
Mission, get out now.
I hope he's just open.
Run. Just like that.
Jesus. Don't need a membership for that shit.
What are you eating there? A little post-gym snack, is it? Sushi at 10 a.m. Tell them about the big sushi though, because like people that would have never been to Australia might not even know it's a thing.
Make sushi back home and watch shit. I don't even eat sushi at home, but I eat sushi in Australia. This is absolute fucking gold mine, mate.
Yeah.
So a few beers now, Sam Lanners, and then going down to, I don't know where the fuck we're going. I know that Yes Boon's played in Australia, Brisbane. Never been to a Brisbane motive before, but fucking look at the weather, mate. Do you know what I mean? Look how clean that is, like, what is that? Football? Do you reckon they're playing footy?
No, they're playing bowls, bro.
Bowling?
No, bowls. Different sport.
Oh yeah, the posh one.
Yeah.
I sold myself to the devil
Day at
today.
12
That
days,
it
bro.
would
It's
help
like
me in
right
some
off.
kind
Crazy,
of
Let's
way.
go to a day break.
Now I'm all
Take you for the
fucked
journey,
up.
see what we're saying.
I said I'm all fucked up. I sold myself to the devil today. Thought it would help me in some kind of way. But now I'm all fucked up. Yeah, I'm all fucked up.
How was the rave?
Yeah,
Yeah, good.